Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Select box break number 19. Here's the last game up for auction. Here's Edmonton. So the box is NE190855923. That's NE190855923. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Rookie for the Hurricanes of Nicholas Blanchard. Got a youth explosion of Dustin DiBenedetto for the Islanders. Rainbow rookie of Jason Akeson for the Flyers. Freezers Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. We have a rookie for the Panthers of Steven Pinizzotto. That card goes to Florida. Got a nice hit for the Flames. Auto jersey rookie of Sean Monahan. It is numbered 15/99. Our selections for the Red Wings of Steve Yzerman. And a rainbow for the Kings of Anze Kopitar. Rookie of Andre Suster for the Lightning. Rookie of Taylor Beck for the Predators. 385 out of 399. Rainbow for the Capitals of Mike Green. Double strike PK Subban for the Canadiens. And a rookie of Ben Hanowski for the Flames. Got select signatures of Jan Sovi for the Canucks. Last pack. Fair and Ice, Victor Fast for the Ducks. And we have a rainbow of Blake Wheeler for the Jets. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.